Welcome everyone, my name is Alexandre Lora and I'm here in a collaboration with Yishama Pantam to share to you all some tips and examples of how we can use and how we can combine the three components or the three elements of music in your handpan. I'm talking about rhythm, harmony, and melody. For this class today, I'm using this beautiful F3 Pygmy 20 made by Yishama especially for me. The first combination that we're gonna see is between rhythm and melody. The rhythm part, I'm using a groove, a specific groove that it takes 2 bars of 4/4 to be complete. So this is gonna be the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then I'm gonna add the melody playing the rhythm in the same time. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Composed a special melody for this class today, and I'm mixing the melody plus the rhythm that we saw before. So the next step would be the combination between harmony and the rhythm. And the rhythm, it's still the same as I told you, and the harmony in this case, what I'm gonna play, it's 1, which is F minor, 7, which is E flat major, 6, which is D flat major, and then C minor. This is the harmony movement that I'm using here. So it's 1, 7, 6, 5, 1. Let's see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our third combination, it's going to be between the harmony and the melody, not using the rhythm for this one. Let's check how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so finally, let's check the result of the three components at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you guys had enjoyed this class. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also the Yishama Pantam YouTube channel. Leave your comment. Take care. Big hugs.